Here it is a pauper. They want to Delhi become pauper. That's why, Delhi, there is no Congress. There is only between BJP and Aam Aadmi Party only. There is no Congress. It's a zero. In Parliament also, it's a zero. I think this model will go to Delhi. 100% Delhi people will teach the lesson to the Congress party.
Sir, BMRCL and BWSSB both are in the verge of increasing prices. The water prices will be increased. Also, ticket prices in metro will be increased. How do you see this as LOP, sir?
Because the Siddaramaiah model, this is the Siddaramaiah and DK Kumar model. Price hike, everything. Already petrol, diesel, stamp duty, milk, alcohol, transport, bus fare, train fare, metro fare, and water fare. That's the New Year gift of Mr. Great Siddaramaiah. All New Year gift. This shows the government is pauper. There is no money. There is no money in the government. That's why they are hiking the every price. Every price. This is the worst government never seen in the history of Karnataka. People are very fed up. Why this corrupt government came? We made a mistake. That is the people they're asking the officers.